So Anthropic just released Claude Opus 4.8, and after reading the entire announcement, I think most people are focusing on the wrong thing. Yes, the benchmarks improved, the coding got better, and the model is now safer than before, but that's not what caught my attention. What caught my attention was a single paragraph hidden near the end of the announcement, a paragraph that suggests Anthropic may already have a model significantly more capable than Opus running behind the scenes. And if that's true, Claude Opus 4.8 isn't the real story. It's the preview before the next generation. So in this video, we'll break down the benchmark results, the coding improvements, the new effort modes, the surprising safety data, and most importantly, what Anthropic quietly revealed about what's coming next. The overall benchmark story becomes much more interesting when we look beyond coding. Claude Opus 4.8 leads in multidisciplinary reasoning, agentic computer use, knowledge work, and financial analysis benchmarks. The improvements aren't massive, but they're consistent across almost every category. Instead of dominating a single benchmark, Anthropic seems focused on building the strongest all-around model, and for many users, that's probably more valuable. Anthropic is also highlighting improvements in safety and alignment. According to its data, Opus 4.8 shows noticeably lower misaligned behavior compared to Opus 4.7. That may not sound as exciting as benchmark scores, but as AI models become more capable, reliability becomes just as important as intelligence. Anthropic's goal appears to be improving both at the same time. Another major update is the new effort system. Opus 4.8 now runs at a higher default effort level, while reportedly using a similar token budget to Opus 4.7's default mode. For tougher coding and reasoning tasks, users can increase effort even further using extra or max modes in Claude Code. It's part of a broader industry trend where companies are giving models more time to think rather than simply making them larger. But the most interesting part of the announcement comes near the end. Anthropic openly calls Opus 4.8 a modest improvement over Opus 4.7, then immediately reveals it's working on a new class of models beyond Opus. The company specifically mentions Mythos Preview, a system currently being tested by select organizations for cybersecurity work. Anthropic says models at this capability level require stronger safeguards before wider deployment, suggesting something significantly more powerful may already exist behind the scenes. If that's the case, Opus 4.8 may not be the destination. It may simply be the bridge to Anthropic's next major breakthrough. As for availability, Claude Opus 4.8 is available now with the same pricing as Opus 4.7, so existing users don't have to pay anything extra to upgrade. Personally, I'm not judging this model based on benchmark charts alone. Over the next few days, I'll be testing it on coding projects, automation workflows, and real-world tasks to see how it actually performs. Because the best benchmark isn't a leaderboard score, it's whether the model helps you get real work done. So, what do you think? Is Claude Opus 4.8 a meaningful upgrade or just a stepping stone towards something bigger? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see my hands-on comparisons against GPT 5.5, Gemini, and other frontier models, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications because those tests are coming very soon.